Welcome back, ladies. Class is officially in session because we are back with another glow up series, and today we are doing part 2 on things I've done to glow up. I'm going to be making the same exact announcement I made last time. If you are going to come on this video to bitch in the comments about how all of these are physical things and how none of these are mental mindset tips, I have plenty of mindset videos. You can scroll through my page. This isn't one of them. This is for the girlies who want to glow up on the outside. Yes, it starts with the inside, but if they're telling you that there's something you can do on the outside, they are fucking lying to you. Without further ado, let's get on to it. I already know number one is going to piss some people off. Number one is use a concealer that matches the color of your skin. I know most girlies are trying to look illuminated and bright under the eyes, but I'm going to hold your hand when I say this. Your makeup is going to look 10 times better when you start to use a concealer that actually matches your skin tone. If you're going to the Grammys, like you're doing a full beat, I completely understand wanting like an illuminating under eye, but if you want a reliable, good makeup look that hits every single time, use a concealer that matches your skin tone. If you want to take this tip even further, I know this can be a little bit excessive, but this has honestly saved my life. Have 3 different shades of concealer. The reason I say this is because when you're tan, you're going to be one color. When the tan is fading, you're going to be another color. And when you're pale, you're going to be another color. When I found the perfect shades for one of my lightest, medium, and darkest, it's going to change your life, because with these 3 colors, you can shade match to however you look. However tan or pale you look throughout the entire year. This has honestly changed the makeup game for me, like 10 out of 10. Number 2 is have a go-to jewelry stack. When you have a go-to jewelry stack, this can be anything from like an arrangement of rings, an arrangement of necklaces, earrings. It needs to be something that you know hits every time. I don't have my bag with me right now, but I normally have like tiny cloth bag. Basically just put my jewelry stack inside and change it from purse to purse. But if I'm ever going out or going to dinner and I ever just want to look more put together, I have that stack with me on the go, and it's like an immediate revamp. Like a little bit of try and error with like mixing different metals, mixing different types of rings with earrings, and what actually looks good all together. But when you crack that code, you are going to look insane. Number 3 is hydrate your hairline. Hear me out. This is something that I've noticed I struggle with a lot, especially in the winter when my skin is really dry. I tend to not like bring the skincare fully up and close to my hairline. And when I'm doing my makeup and I'm applying bronzer like around my forehead, it will get so fucking patchy. It's literally just because it's not hydrated enough. So then the contour is clinging on to the dry patches around your forehead. And you might notice this right away, or you might notice it later throughout the night. Honestly ruins the entire makeup look, because you might look good from here to here, but here to here, you look patchy as hell. What I've been doing is before I start getting ready, I just get some of the Rhode glazing milk and I make sure to pat it like really close to my hairline. It has seriously helped my contour blend like a dream, and it made the biggest difference for me when I started. So yeah. Number 4 is going to be for the girls who are already getting like cosmetic procedures and already getting Botox. Getting a little bit of Botox on the tail of your brows will actually give you a beautiful brow lift. This is something that my girl started doing with me a while ago. Just like kind of opened up my eye area. Although I don't have Botox right now, I don't know if because I've been doing it over time, it's kind of trained my brows to kind of stay a little bit higher. So even though I don't currently have Botox, I'll look at pictures from before I started getting Botox, especially like around the brow area, and I see the biggest difference when it comes to like how high my brow actually sits. Please don't come to the comments being like, oh my god, you're promoting Botox. Like, you don't need Botox. Nobody needs Botox. This is something that you can get if you want. I'm not saying that you need to. I'm just saying what I've done that I actually ended up really liking. So please, if you're gonna complain, go somewhere else. Number 5 is stop applying mascara to the root of your lashes. It actually drives me nuts when I see videos on TikTok, girls applying mascara and they actually like grab like from the root upwards. That is only going to weigh your lashes down, and you are not going to be able to get the lift that you want. What I personally do is I curl my lashes. I will only apply mascara from like a little bit above the root upwards. I do not let the wand touch the root of my lashes. And I promise you, like, you have my word, your lashes are going to look perfect for the entire night. This is it for today, but as always, let me know what video you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys next time.